incorporation of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company in 2007 initiated the bold move into a drastic change in the narrative of industrialization and manufacturing not only in Nigeria, but also in Africa. IVM for short becomes the first wholly local and leading vehicle manufacturing company in Nigeria, an enterprise that has beefed up the global product manufacturing accolade and fame of Niwi, Anambra State, and southeast Nigeria. The vehicle manufacturing plant was commissioned on October 15, 2015 by the then President Goodluck Jonathan GCFR. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing was conceived to produce truly made-in-Nigeria vehicles with a minimum of 60% local content, positioning the industry as purely indigenous. With a manpower strength of over 1,800, Innoson Vehicles has duly registered its footprint in Nigeria's global economy. Recently, IVM upgraded its production capacity from 10,000 to 60,000 units of vehicles per annum. The vehicle plant, since inception, has taken itself to the task of meeting clients' demand, needs, and satisfaction, delivering unique, pleasurable experiences at all times across its range of rugged automobile products. Operating in a full digital industrial setup and environment, Innoson Vehicles go through all essential quality-centered and standard production processes. Every section is knitted with uncompromising quality control and assurance. The body of the vehicle and its external framework are formed at the foundry section. The shapes are designed, sizes are determined, and the alignment of various components is closely achieved for the various brands and types. In the treatment section, the various parts put together to form the body undergo chemical treatment for full preservation, particularly against rust and inclement weather. With adequate treatment to ensure lasting protection of the parts, nay the body, from rusting, painting is the next stage where various IVM products are treated with various alluring shades and colors. Chassis assembly is where all vehicles are fitted with deserving souls. The chassis, engine and gearbox are meticulously assembled to give the vehicle bases the full look of an automobile. With the body, the chassis, and other requisite components in the engine room, including the engine, the interior assembly begins, where all of the instrumentation and wiring systems, dash panels, interior lights, seats, door and trim panels, headliners, radios, speakers, glasses, steering, and other interior parts are assembled and installed. The final finishing is an all-essential section. It is a critical moment to cross all T's and dot all I's. The remaining parts, including the exterior, are assembled. The final certification and endorsement are done at the Quality Control and Assurance Center, where the validation process is conducted at the end of the assembly line to verify quality and its assurance. This comes as an audit of the various inspection points throughout the assembly process. The IVM range of products. There are Innoson sedan cars. This family includes Innoson Connect and Innoson Caris. Innoson Smart, Innoson Ikenga, and Innoson Kappa are members of the multi-purpose vehicles, MPVs. The other superb range is the sports utility vehicles, SUVs, and with this block are Innoson G5T, Innoson G6T, Innoson G40, and Innoson G80. Innoson Carrier, Innoson Granite, Innoson Imperial, and Innoson Ijele belong to the pickup family. The Innoson 7-seater is a minibus in the bus range of IVM. There are also in the bus lineup other higher capacity vehicles. These are Innoson 5000, Innoson Cherokee 15-seater, Innoson 65 Forto 17-seater, Innoson 6001 23-seater, Innoson 6800 33-seater, Innoson 6110 50-seater, Innoson 6571 60-seater buses, and Innoson 100-seater capacity city bus. IVM also has quasi-articulated vehicles for emergencies. This is Innoson firefighting truck and Innoson garbage trucks ambiance. Innoson Vehicles expansion plans. Innoson Vehicle is on a mission to be a giant vehicle manufacturing company in Africa in order to serve African vehicle needs through its current expansion efforts. 1. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Naze Owerri, Imo State. Innoson Vehicles is currently setting up the IVM CNG Conversion Center at Naze Owerri, Imo State. The IVM CNG Conversion Center is a state-of-the-art facility for the conversion and retrofitting of fuel diesel-powered vehicles to CNG, LNG-powered vehicles. Innoson Vehicles has already acquired about 150,000 square meters of land for this project, and construction works are ongoing. 2. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Plant, Umu Ezina, Umudim, Nnewi, Anambra State. Innoson Vehicles is currently building its Nnewi factory expansion plant at Umu Ezina, Umudim, Nnewi. The extension plant is for the manufacture of CNG, LNG-powered vehicles and heavy-duty vehicles. 3. Lion IVM Tractor Manufacturing Plant, UNN, currently in Innoson, in partnership with the University of Nigeria. Nsukka is constructing a 20 HP agricultural tractor manufacturing plant at the Lion Science Park, UNN. The tractor will be known as Lion IVM. 4. Expansion into African markets. Innoson Vehicles has expanded its vehicle supplies to other African countries such as Sierra Leone, Niger, Congo, Ghana, Mali, Côte d'Ivoire, and Burkina Faso. The company has concluded plans with the Sierra Leone government to establish an assembly plant in Freetown. Innoson range of vehicles has attained and maintained a household status among users in Nigeria. IVM brands have been highly patronized by different levels and arms of government and the private sectors. The range of products from the stable of IVM are affordable and within the reach of the Nigerian investing public who are in the transportation business, corporate organizations, government, and its agencies, as well as individuals who desire the products, exquisite service, and quintessential driving experience. Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing, given its corporate focus, has built relationships with prospective groups and entities. IVM is in partnership with the Nigerian Air Force for the development and promotion of joint activities to sustain the maintenance of the Nigerian Air Force air asset and other associated aerospace ground equipment, AGE, to enable the Nigerian Air Force to continuously carry out its constitutional obligations to the nation. Equally, we are in partnership with the Nigerian Army for the modification of some of its equipment, local production of armored fighting and utility vehicles, as well as other military hardware. Today, IVM is using the concept of regionalization in the production of its vehicles by making sure that it considers the Nigerian environment, local tastes, and consumer preferences in Nigeria, as well as the African region. Innoson Vehicles are strongly built for the rugged Nigerian roads. Our products are at affordable prices, enabling huge cost savings as well as low maintenance costs. Our spare parts are readily available. IVM products can be serviced and maintained by any trained auto mechanic, as our vehicles do not require specialized technical handling. Low fuel economy, even with an air conditioner, is a known feature of IVM products, with superior performance, reliability, fast, and ruggedness. Innoson Vehicles all carry a full 24-month warranty. IVM's unique ability to supply durable, yet very affordable brand new vehicles and its successful record in delivering within short notice makes it an enviable partner in this industry. Innoson Vehicles' mission, by the grace of God, is to drastically reduce the prices of vehicles and cut down Nigeria's dependence on imported vehicles, shut down the market for fairly used token-bore vehicles as well. We did it with motorcycles, we are doing it again with motor vehicles. This video is brought to you by the Corporate Communications Department, Innoson Vehicles. The pride of African roads.